Like, we all know how bad laptop webcams are. And for some odd reason, they can't be as good as our smartphone cameras. So, most people do often get external webcams for their laptop, like the Logitech Brio 4K, Elgato Facecam MK2, or the Insta360 Link for their computers, either to use them for video conferencing, online meeting, streaming, YouTube lives, and even creating content. So, why not do something about it? Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel where I make tech content ranging from product unboxing, product review, tutorials, facts about tech, and a whole lot more. So if you are interested in any of these, I will implore you to subscribe to my channel not to miss out on any of my uploads. So in this video, I'll be diving into how to transform any camera you have just lying there into a high quality webcam for your computer, as this is a great way to level up your live streams, video conferencing, and many others just by using some cables and a software. Using a camera over your laptop webcam have great advantage, like you tend to get better video quality, depth of field, manual control over the looks and feel of your footage, and whole lots more. And for the disadvantage, one essential one that you will run into is that while using your camera as a webcam, you tend to run out of battery easily. So for that, I will suggest you get what's called a dummy battery. This is a power adapter you plug right into your outlet, which gives you infinite battery. Well, that's as long as you keep the adapter plugged into the outlet. Let's break down what we will be using. First is the camera itself. And with me here is a Canon Rebel T4i, which I recently got for a decent price. It is a popular DSLR camera known for its decent quality. Even though it's a pretty much old camera, it is able to produce decent 1080p footage, especially when paired up to a very good lens. Trust me, it produces miracles. And next on, for the purpose of this video, we will be needing a HDMI to mini HDMI cable to connect the camera to the capture card. So the beauty about using a capture card is that it brings your audio synced with your video, which is a major plus, and you don't have to worry about your audio. Talking about capture cards, the capture card will then be connected to your computer via the USB cable. Also, this isn't really compulsory, but it will serve a really good purpose when needed. It's simply a USB extender. It has a USB female to a male connector. And finally, we will be making use of the OBS Studio, which is a free open source software for video recording and live streaming. Now, let's connect everything together. Start by connecting the mini HDMI end of the cable to your camera's HDMI output, as this is how we'll be getting our footage out from the camera. And then the other end of the cable goes into the HDMI input of the capture card. So at this point, the capture card is basically receiving the footage being captured by the camera via the USB cable, processing it and converting it to be sent into the computer via the USB port, and then the capture card is connected directly into the computer. Alternatively, you can use this pair of USB extender if you are transmitting over a distance, like if there is a distance from where you are shooting your video to where your PC setup is. Like I said, it's not that important, but it will come in handy whenever you need it. And most importantly, make sure your computer recognizes your capture card. So for the software being used, which is the OBS Studio, it is pretty much easy to get, as it is a free open source software. Just head on to www.obsstudio.com, download and install the latest version. The process is very easy to go on with. So after doing that, open the OBS Studio software. Click on the plus icon to add a new video source. Select the video capture device and then just give it a name, like the Canon T4i in my case. A new window will appear. Select your capture card from the available devices listed. You might need to adjust the resolution and the frame rate to match the settings of your camera. Then click on OK. To fully optimize your camera to get the best possible video output, let's adjust the camera settings too. Go into your camera menu and find the video setting. Make sure you are using the correct aspect ratio and frame rate. Also, consider adjusting your white balance, exposure, and focus for optimal results. So, if you did follow all the steps I mentioned, which you can pause this video then practice it on your own, you should be able to see your camera feed in the OBS application. If still you are experiencing any issue, double check your connections and make sure your camera is in the video mode and live view is turned on. To enhance your overall video quality, Make sure you experiment with different camera angles and different lighting conditions. Consider using a tripod for stability and add extra lighting if needed. You can also explore the advanced OBS features like the filters and overlay to customize your video feed. And there you have it. You have successfully transformed your camera into a webcam using the OBS software, a capture card, and a cable. This setup can elevate your live streaming, video calls, and your overall video production. Experiment with different settings within your camera and the OBS software and find which one works best for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel not to miss out on any of my tech tutorials upload. If you have any question or difficulty setting this up after watching this video, you can pretty much drop a comment in the comment section, and I'll make sure that I respond to that as soon as possible. With that being said, catch you the next one. Peace out.